Look at that. She got her eyes closed. She's like, she got skills, mad skills. Here we go, roller coaster rodeo, day 2. It is hot as hell already in Texas. 8 in the morning. Here we go. Gotta love these guys. Their little old car and then a new car over there. A lot of traffic coming out. Well, it looks like they have some kind of car show here in the lot. I don't know exactly which way to go here. It's telling spectator, but I'm not a spectator. I'm coming for the coaster. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have to check this out for y'all folks. Hey guys, what's going on, man? It's Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas behind me. Roller coaster rodeo there, and then we have a car show in the parking lot over here. So we're gonna go check that out. So we're gonna get all kinds of things. See, when Six Flags opened a long time ago, in '92, that's the kind of cars they drove back then. That's an old school car right there. Look at that. And my uncles and them used to drive those type of cars back in the day. My brother still got one, and then Paula. Dang, check this one out, man. This is sweet as hell. I like that. Look at the colors. Check that out, guys. That's so cool. That is awesome. Sweet. That's weird. That's a bunch of testosterone blasting through the parking lot. We got a bunch of motorcycles over here. Look at that. She got her eyes closed. She's like, she got skills, mad skills. Look at that, she got her eyes closed. She's working the camera. How cool is that, guys? That is nice. It's classic. That's neat. All right, well, let's go back this way. Oh, there's Bumblebee. He done changed colors. He's green. He's green bee. He's gone green. And the funny thing is, look at the sponsor, State Farm Insurance. All these speeding tickets and shit. Oh, we got some Porsche over here. Thing is, I've really never been a Porsche fan. That's sweet. This is a McLaren, man. Yep. I can dream about that one. Look at this. Smooth. Nice. This is how it started a long time ago right here with the classics. Look at this bad boy. There's a Lotus. Man, that thing looks fast as hell. Is he gonna get in there and show us? Oh, no, he's just gonna take a picture. Oh, we got a little car right there. That is so cool. Wow. That's so cool. That's badass. That is neat. Wow. Let's look under the hood here. So cool. There she is again. She cruising. She got horsepower under the engine.
I had just like
A bunch of Corvettes over here. It's like their own personal section. Got a Toyota, it's like my truck right there. Whoa, baby, look at this bad boy. Wow. Man, it smells like pure leather. That is sweet. Yep. We could dream, that's what we could do. I can't afford that.
especially when they're all the snack cars.
Representing the UK, Mini Coupes. This looks like one of those Matchbox cars you can buy and stuff like that. Let me get to the park. Oh, look at that dude's lights. Alrighty, so we checked out the car show and let's head to the park, man. Gonna be here all day, folks.